This is Tapadeep and I'm talking to you from Hyderabad. I was part of the ISSC 2018 to 20 batch, which is not that long back if you think about it. We were the transition batch that moved from the old familiar building near the Department of Performing Arts to the new one opposite to CINS mid course. So you could say we got to enjoy both the old and the new. I was a student at ISSC back when it was still called ISSC. I think these days it comes under the bigger SCMS umbrella. So after ISSC, I did my M.Tech from Delhi and subsequently started working for Qualcomm. It has been almost 2 years now. If you have heard about or read about Qualcomm recently, you have almost definitely heard about the Snapdragon X Elite and Snapdragon X Plus compute chipsets. In fact, it is currently on the front page of our website. Now, I am part of the Windows Audio Driver development team at Qualcomm, helping write software for these chipsets, which get used in laptop or tablet-like form factors. The best part about my job, which I usually tell people, is that the products I work on get into the hands of hundreds and thousands of people all across the globe, and the code I write directly impacts them on a daily basis. Coming back to ISSC, I feel like I owe a lot to the department and everything I am now. It was my first time away from home when I came to Pune from Calcutta to study scientific computing. Since then, I've stayed in 5 different cities across various time frames, and the skills I gathered just staying in the hostel helped me a lot to cope with all kinds of unfamiliar places. You get to learn a certain kind of discipline staying in a hostel, which is sort of a life skill that is hard to catch anywhere else. I think I also learned to communicate ideas very well from ISSC, which is for whom I have to thank Berekar ma'am, who made complicated mathematical ideas sound very easy. These days, I work with very many of our customers like Dell, HP, Lenovo, and so on. And I've come to realize how important it is to communicate ideas very cleanly. Coming to my tech stack, I exclusively use C++ and a bit of Python here and there for my device drivers, for which who can forget Tendence's classes very early in the morning. I have seldom seen a person so enthusiastic about teaching C++, and his classes were the most thorough and most exhaustive I've ever seen. I also learned MPI from Vaishali ma'am's parallel computing lectures, which I got to use during my M.Tech thesis. I think I've spoken a lot. I will just end by saying that I miss all the interactions I had during my days at ISSC with Abdullah sir, Araukar ma'am, and above all my batchmates with whom I'm still in touch. But I just want to say ISSC, now SCMS, will be experience worth remembering. So register for it.